Hi, my name is Tanani Reinheimer. I am a residential drug and alcohol counselor in a women's facility. So you can see all the frilly pink shit behind me. Um, what experience do I have in research? I have minimal experience in research. I did some legal research when I was getting my law and justice degree, and I was terrible at it. Um, what would make it more fun for me would be if it was geared towards something that is important to me, like substance abuse or mental health. I think I would probably prefer it to be related to something that I can actually connect with. Um, and what excites me about the course, to be completely honest, what excites me about the course is that there's only been 3 people failed because, to be completely honest, I am in full-blown panic mode. I don't think we go into social work because we are mathematicians or we are good at these kind of things. So I'm excited to see exactly what it is that will get me interested in this or make me feel comfortable. To be completely honest, it's frightening. And I do work in a unit where half of my employees or half of my coworkers have um, gone through the same program and mentioned that this course was one of the most difficult ones as far as the other ones because it's not something that we normally deal with on a daily basis, such as, Erickson's stages of development. So there it is. I'm Tanani. I am actually in Iowa, and a pleasure to meet you all.